Yo, what up, gamers? Today we're making some epic PB&J. Uh, it's a family recipe, been handed down for generations on generations. Yeah, let's get right into it. All right, so first you're gonna want to put your two crisp slices of bread on a dedicated area. This is where we're gonna be. This is where all the magic's about to happen. All right. Yeah. Then you're gonna wanna get a knife, and first we're gonna start off with the jelly. Yeah, jelly. All right. This is gonna be. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Hold on. Let's just stop moving. This is hard to do with one hand. Hold on, we got it. Don't worry, gamers, we got this. Yeah. Oh yeah. This is this freaking Jello, bro? Look at that. This looks like freaking Jello. Is this from jelly? Yeah, it says jelly, right? Okay. Yeah, whatever. Cool. Okay. I somehow have to stretch this entire thing to 5 minutes, so it's gonna be a lot of useless commentary. Hopefully, this suffices the project requirements. And please, Miss Stork, I have a B somehow. I need an A. My parents are gonna beat me again. Please, I need the A, please. Anyways, when you have a nice even spread of jelly, yeah, that's evenly spread, all right. Then we get to move on to our peanut butter. It's always good to wash the, rinse the knife so that you're not putting any of the, that's disgusting. Not getting any of the jelly in the peanut butter jar. All right, time for some part two. Gonna get some nice peanut butter. Nice peanut butter. Okay, there we go. Nice peanut butter. All right, I'm trying my best here with one hand. Okay, guys, let's calm down. We'll go. I think that's good enough. Yeah, that's good enough. All right. Yeah, looking good. Okay, gamers. So I just learned that we need 4 ingredients. Which is kind of awkward because there's only 3 ingredients to a PB&J. So yeah, let's go. Oh, this is gonna be good. Remember, this is the family recipe. Yeah. Oh, just get it all in there. Oh yeah, okay, that's what I like to see. Some nice spice in their PB&J. Okay. Now that you have all the ingredients in there, you're just gonna... Oh, that's disgusting. Yeah. There we go. And this is me personally, cut it however, whichever way you want. I like to cut mine down the middle for a maximum enjoyment. Just like that. Alright, gamers, thank you so much for watching. If you liked the video, please smash that like button. Also, subscribe, hit that notification bell so you know every single time I upload. And thanks for coming in, guys. Remember to buy all the merch. I got merch everywhere. Please buy it all. Thank you, guys. Goodbye.